11 plants that will thrive in your greenhouse during fall. Lettuce. Mediterranean native lettuce thrives in fall greenhouses, offering quick, sweet loose leaf, romaine, and butterhead harvests protected from pests. Basil. Tropical basil thrives indoors or in a fall greenhouse, producing fragrant leaves for pesto and salads, with blooms pinched to encourage foliage. Spinach. Central Asian spinach thrives in cool greenhouse autumn beds, avoiding summer bolting and yielding tender, nutrient-rich leaves into winter. Chard. Mediterranean Swiss chard grows brightly colored stems and glossy leaves in fall greenhouses, resilient in low light and pest-free. Parsley. Mediterranean parsley continues producing aromatic leaves in fall greenhouses, easy to manage and perfect for extended culinary use all season. Kale. Eastern Mediterranean kale flourishes in cool fall greenhouses, developing sweeter leaves in steady temperatures, harvested leaf by leaf. Cilantro. Mediterranean cilantro thrives in cool fall greenhouses, producing flavorful leaves while bolting is minimized for extended harvest. Carrots. Persian carrots grow uniformly sweet in fall greenhouses, protected from frost and cracking, perfect for continuous soil bed use. Dill. Eurasian dill thrives in fall greenhouse coolness, offering tender leaves for cooking or pickling and flowers attracting beneficial insects. Radishes. Southeast Asian radishes mature quickly in fall greenhouses, yielding crisp roots and edible greens while improving soil structure. Arugula. Mediterranean arugula thrives in cool fall greenhouses, producing tender, peppery leaves and succession plantings for extended harvest.